Alright, so the floor repair on the Roadrunner's escalated just a little bit. More into inner rockers now. A lot of work that was done prior to coming here we're undoing. So Jerry's getting after the patch it as we speak. Looking good, Jer Bear. Looking good.
We're burning across the top edge and we're good.
Alright. Alright, well I got an update on the 70 Roadrunner floor. Kevin and Jerry have been really busting their ass to get this one done. The boys have done real well here. We got the floor completely removed. And we have discovered a substantial amount of rust that we need to patch up. We're making up some patch panels here. We go in and we go inside the rails and we treat all the rust with a rust converter and then throw a primer on there as well. We got some areas down here that we got to deal with some holes in the frame, and yeah, it's not good. Not good. But she's coming along well. And again, everything's been treated and ready to go. Jerry's got a couple of patch panels to make, and then we can start putting the floor back in. Alright, so Jerry's getting the floor pan prepped for our 70 Roadrunner. And this is a 4-speed car, so we get to do this. And just like that, we got a little holy.
Like magic.
Beautiful. Let's set our part in there, Jer Bear. See how it looks. Oh yeah.
Like a glove.
Very nice. 4-speed hole. Yay. Alright, well we're on the right direction with the Roadrunner floor. Well, because we're a chassis shop, we have a little different perspective on how we do these. So when the floor is out, we put frame gauges on just to make sure everything's straight. So we got our frame gauges set up here, and we do this work on our frame racks as well. Got all the gauges up there, pulled a little twist out of it. Again, help make the floor drop in nicely. And Jerry is just about ready to start doing some welding here. All the patchwork is done on the inner rockers. We got the new torsion bar cross member in. We managed to finagle this in, even though it's a post car, which was kind of nice. And yeah, now we're going to start plug welding, and we're going to wrap this baby up. Real happy with the progress. Guy should have his car sometime next week. And there you go. We'll take some more vids as we go along. Thanks for following.